Welcome to the Teen Quiz 9. Here goes the first question. Which city is known as the key to the Mediterranean? It is Gibraltar. Gibraltar Strait connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. It's a narrow passage of water. And this strait is called as the key to the Mediterranean. Any ship that enters Mediterranean from Atlantic has to pass through the Strait of Gibraltar. Second question. What was the capital of the Kauravas in Mahabharata? It was Hastinapur. Hastinapur was Kauravas' capital. Third question. What name do the Japanese give to their country? Nippon. The Japanese call their country in their language as Nippon. The word Nippon means the land of the rising sun. Fourth question. What is the capital of Norway? What is the capital of Norway? It is Oslo. Fifth question. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the year 1919. Jallianwala Bagh is in Amritsar, and General Dyer, a British commandant, opened fire on a silent congregation of people there in Jallianwala Bagh and massacred people in large numbers. Sixth question. What do doctors find by feeling the pulse? By feeling the pulse, what do the doctors find? They find the heartbeat. There's one way of finding out how healthy is the heart, how is the pumping of blood from the heart. Doctors will be able to make out by feeling the pulse at the wrist. Seventh question. What acid is present in vinegar? Vinegar has acetic acid. Acetic acid. Eighth question. What does the abbreviated capital X small n stand for? It is xenon. Xn is xenon. Ninth question. What causes the seasons? The seasons are caused by the 23.5 degrees tilt in the Earth's axis. Earth is not straight, it is tilted by 23.5 degrees. Due to that, sun rays fall differently at different periods on the Earth, and there will be a change of seasons. So the prime reason is the tilt of the Earth by 23.5 degrees on its axis. Question number 10. Which is the largest bay in the world? It is Hudson Bay in Canada. Hudson Bay. 11th, who should partner a sultan? Who else can it be? A sultan has to be partnered by a sultana. That's the feminine gender, female gender of sultan. Who was known as Panchali? 12th question. Draupadi, the wife of Pancha Pandavas, the 5 Pandavas, was known as Panchali. 13th question. What word would the Americans use for petrol? Petrol is termed as gasoline in America. They call it gasoline. In short, they say, I have to fill gas. I have to fill gas. It means he has to fill petrol. 14th question. What prevents the disease of scurvy? The disease scurvy. How can you prevent it? Vitamin C. Scurvy is a disease where you start bleeding from your nose, bleeding from your lips, and even from the inside of the mouth. Mainly it is because of the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C is plenty in oranges and lemons, citric fruits. So availability of vitamin C will definitely bring down the incidence of scurvy. 15th question. How many degrees of longitude are equal to an hour of time? The globe or the earth all around, it has 360 degrees. One complete circle, 360 degrees. A day consists of 24 hours. Divide 360 by 24. You get 15 degrees. So an hour is equal to 15 degrees. If earth turns by 15 degrees, the time difference will be 1 hour. In 24 hours, it takes a complete turn. 16th question. Which chess piece can travel any number of squares in any direction? It is the minister. The minister can be moved by any number of squares in any direction. Can be horizontally, vertically, it can be even diagonally. The minister happens to be a very important piece. 17th question. What tribal girls wear tight metal necklaces in order to lengthen their necks? It is the Pagwan girls. The Pagwan girls of Myanmar or Burma, they wear tight metal necklaces one over the other. They go on adding later on as years pass on to get their necks elongated, made as lengthy as possible. They feel beauty lies in long necks. So permanently they wear these necklaces to see that their neck lengthens. 18th question. From what is rum distilled? Rum, it's an alcoholic drink. From what is rum distilled? Rum is got from sugar cane. Rum is derived or extracted from sugar cane. 19th question. In which American city do you find Hollywood? Los Angeles. Hollywood is in Los Angeles. 20th question. According to the saying, what does an early bird do? It's a proverb. Early bird catches the worm. Early bird catches the worm. 21st question. What color are neon lamps? Red. Neon lamps are red. 22nd question. What is the Japanese word for goodbye? Sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. 23rd question. What do you call the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion? Kinetic energy. It's called as kinetic energy. That's the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. 24th question. What do you call an alloy of mercury with another metal? It's called amalgam. Amalgam. In case a science teacher wears a golden ring and starts working with mercury, he'll be astonished to see a coating of amalgam of mercury on his golden ring and it loses its shine. The gold and mercury, they combine with each other to give an amalgam. It sticks on. Again, the golden ring will have to be put to fire to see that the mercury gets separated from gold. Last question of today. What does ICBM stand for? ICBM missiles. Intercontinental ballistic missiles. In short, are called ICBM. Intercontinental ballistic missile. Thank you.